Hey guys, welcome back to Live a Little. This week is super exciting because I just received a shipment from R&K from Embellish, and yeah, I can't wait to open it and show you guys what's in it. So as I open it, I'm gonna just talk about each product. So let's bust this bad boy open. Embellish just came out with some new products and I'm so excited about them. As most of you guys know, sorry my cat. So as most of you guys know, I'm pretty new to embroidering, and I recently have started setting up my sewing room here in this apartment, so I really don't have a lot of the basic tools like a seam ripper, little applique scissors, even threads. I don't really have a lot of the basic tools. So this is super exciting, and also they're not just useful, they're super pretty, and you're gonna see what I mean in a second. So the first thing I'm opening up is this Embellish Fusible Soft Cutaway. Yeah, this is perfect for like if you're embroidering on a t-shirt like this, to just kind of use. So I didn't have any of this, so I'm super excited. The next thing is this batting, and if you guys saw my video last week, I talked about how I had to murder a pillow and grab some stuffing as I was making like a cat toy because I didn't have any. Now I don't have to do that anymore because I have batting. Look, Floyd. Yeah, he's gonna play in the box. One thing I wanted to just highlight, this I already had, but this stabilizer workbook, first of all, is very pretty. And this is literally a Bible for all of your stabilizers. Like I said, I am new to embroidery, so I don't know 100% which stabilizers to use and stuff like that. So this is your Bible, this is your handbook. It's really pretty. You can purchase this and everything will be linked below. So it actually tells you as well, it's really cool, it tells you the product you can use, the density of your design, and what kind of fabric you can use it on. So if I wanted to embroider on toilet paper or something, I would use this Fusible Soft Cutaway. You can also use it for t-shirts, like I said. Yeah, so this is your Bible. It's super interesting. You can actually attach a sample of whatever stabilizer it's talking about, and you can write your notes below it. That's super helpful because a lot of times when I open up my rolls, I don't remember what they are. So I'll try to like stuff this in the middle of the tube, but sometimes I throw it away or I forget. So next, I am so excited about these. These are the new Embellish Appliqué scissors. These are gorgeous. I will insert a little close-up footage here, but these have little flowers on them. They're super dainty and pretty, and I'm so excited to use those. And going along with that, I have tweezers. I don't even think I own a pair of tweezers. So you can use these for embroidery and vinyl, and this just has the same cute floral print on it. And I believe the print that's on here actually correlates to a fabric line that Hope Yoder did through Blank Quilting. It's called Roses and Arrows, if you want to check that out. This is probably the thing I was most excited for. Okay, so Embellish has this really awesome 15th year anniversary like limited edition thread set. It's called the Encore matte thread set, and I am so excited for these colors. One of my favorite colors is mustard, and there's 3 like yellow mustard colors right in it, so that makes me super happy. But this is just like a really nice pastel. There's like a lavender pastel in here, like a mint green, just beautiful colors. So I'm super excited about this one. And next I have this Embellish Fusible Underlay. This says Fusible Gentle Support for Fine Fabric. So again, open up your Bible and it'll tell you what that's for. Can you stop being so rowdy? Please, 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 please. And I also got some Fusible Underlay Bold This is for heavily embellished fabrics. It's really great to use. And the last thing that's in here is the beloved seam ripper. Now I don't know about you guys, but most seam rippers have that really skinny, thin kind of base, and it's kind of hard to like hold on to, especially when you're someone like me who has really long fingers. It kind of like slips out because it's so tiny, so I'm really excited to see that this has like a more substantial handle, and it's got like grips around it, so it's gonna be really helpful, and I'm super excited, and it's so pretty. So that was everything that I got from Embellish. I'm going to link all products down below, and if you guys want to purchase these products, I'll put a link in the description as well so that you can find an Embellish dealer near you. Thank you guys for watching so much, and I'll see you next week. Say bye!